In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix ChatGPT, lagging and slow responses, step by step. Start by opening ChatGPT in your browser, then check whether the slowdown is happening on the service side. Visit the official OpenAI status page to see if there's an outage or degraded performance. If you see an active incident, the best move is simply to wait until services recover before trying again. If everything looks normal, try a quick refresh. Reload the browser page, reopen the conversation, and resend your message. This simple reset clears temporary hiccups and often restores normal speed. Next, confirm your internet connection isn't the bottleneck. Run a speed test using a reliable tool like Speed Test by Ookla. If speeds look low or unstable, restart your Wi-Fi router, move closer to it, switch to mobile data temporarily, or plug in with an Ethernet cable for a steadier wired connection. If lag persists, clear your browser's cache and cookies. In Chrome or Edge, open Settings, go to Privacy and Security, choose Clear Browsing Data, and select cached images and files as well as cookies. After clearing, fully close and relaunch the browser so the changes take effect. Browser add-ons can also cause slowdowns. Extensions like ad blockers, VPN plugins, script blockers, and some AI tools may interfere with ChatGPT. Open a private or incognito window, go to ChatGPT, and test performance there. If it's faster, disable non-essential extensions in your regular window. Using a VPN or proxy can add latency, create connection loops, or prevent pages from loading cleanly. Temporarily turn off your VPN or proxy and test again. If you're still seeing lag, switch browsers. Chrome, Edge, and Firefox are good options. While you're at it, make sure your browser is up to date. Open Settings, find the About section, install any available updates, and restart the browser. Close heavy apps and extra tabs. Games, video editors, dozens of open tabs, and background apps can consume CPU, memory, and bandwidth, leaving fewer resources for ChatGPT. Don't overlook a full device restart. Rebooting your PC, laptop, phone, or tablet clears stuck processes and resets network adapters, which often restores smooth performance. If the browser experience remains sluggish, try the official ChatGPT mobile app from your App Store. Sometimes the app performs better than a desktop browser, especially on stable Wi-Fi or cellular. Finally, keep conversations manageable. Very long chats can slow down over time, so start a new chat or split separate topics into different conversations. Follow these steps in order, and you should see a clear improvement in response speed.